I've discovered 11 straightforward side hustles that hold the potential to lead you to financial success in 2024. But I'm not just going to list these side hustles. I'll also provide real-life examples of individuals who have achieved wealth through them. Whether you're seeking some extra cash on the side or aiming to turn it into a full-time business venture, these ideas will surely inspire you. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's kick things off with number 1, selling dirt. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually make money by selling soil. It's a niche market, but it can be lucrative. Take, for instance, the story of an Irish immigrant who noticed a demand for Irish dirt at funerals in the United States. By meeting this demand, he built a successful business. Additionally, you can profit by selling or moving dirt for landscaping purposes, earning an average of $150 to $600 for 10 to 15 cubic yards. While perhaps not the most glamorous opportunity, it holds potential with a score of 7 out of 10. Now, on to flea market flipping. This involves buying undervalued items and reselling them for a profit, typically at flea markets. It's a tried-and-true method that has turned many side hustles into six-figure operations. Whether you source products online or hunt for deals at flea markets, success hinges on understanding market values. With potential earnings surpassing $1,000 in a single day, this hustle scores a solid 9 out of 10. Next up is the creation of online courses, a highly lucrative venture if approached correctly. The beauty of this business model lies in its scalability. Once you've created the course, there's minimal ongoing effort required. Consider the story of a TikTok user who generated over $100,000 in a single day by selling Excel tutorials. This demonstrates the immense potential of online courses. For instance, if 1,000 people visit your course's sales page and 2% of them purchase your $100 course, you could earn $2,000 in sales with virtually no overhead costs. With various platforms like Kartra, Teachable, or Kajabi, as well as websites like Skillshare and Udemy, handling marketing for you, the path to profiting from online courses has never been clearer. Overall, this opportunity scores a solid 9.5 out of 10. Moving on to TikTok affiliate marketing, where individuals promote products for a commission. One notable success story involves a 24-year-old who, after being laid off, ventured into affiliate marketing on TikTok, earning over $8,000 a month. This accessible business model allows content creators to monetize their passions effortlessly, making it an appealing opportunity for many. With a straightforward approach and minimal barriers to entry, TikTok affiliate marketing earns a commendable opportunity score of 9.5 out of 10. Now, let's discuss print-on-demand services, a popular method for creating custom merchandise without upfront costs or inventory. By leveraging print-on-demand platforms, individuals can sell a variety of products, from t-shirts to mugs, without the hassle of managing inventory. This model's efficiency lies in printing items only after they've been ordered, minimizing risks and storage costs. Additionally, the potential for growth is evident, especially with the imminent rise of 3D printing. With platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Walmart offering print-on-demand services, this opportunity scores an impressive 8.5 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up is audiobook creation, an excellent opportunity for those with a captivating voice. Essentially, you read books aloud, catering to audiences who prefer listening to their content on platforms like Audible, Take, for instance, a 34-year-old mom who transitioned from being a music teacher to earning a six-figure income as an audiobook narrator. This isn't merely a side hustle. It can be a full-fledged career path. Audiobook narrators typically earn between $46,000 and $80,000 annually. This opportunity, especially suited for those with appealing voices, garners a solid 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Now, let's delve into car sharing, a straightforward concept where you rent out your vehicle when not in use. Platforms like Turo function as the Airbnb of car sharing, enabling individuals to earn extra income by renting out their cars. A prime example is a mom who earns $6,500 monthly by simply leasing her vehicle. While earnings may vary based on location, car sharing presents a promising opportunity, scoring a respectable 6.5 out of 10. Another lucrative venture is offering home organizing or decluttering services, transforming chaotic spaces into orderly havens. With nearly a quarter of Americans struggling to park their cars in cluttered garages, the demand for such services is evident. Professionals in this field can earn anywhere from $78,000 to $144,000 annually, making it a lucrative opportunity. Hence, home organizing services merit a commendable 7.5 out of 10. Moving on to selling custom clothing lines, although starting an international brand can be daunting, local ventures via social media platforms like TikTok or Facebook offer a viable alternative. By showcasing and auctioning clothing items in live videos, individuals can attract local buyers and turn a profit. This emerging trend presents promising earning potential, earning a respectable 7.5 out of 10. Finally, pet training and photography offer lucrative opportunities for animal lovers. Whether teaching pets new tricks or capturing their adorable moments on camera, these endeavors can be both rewarding and profitable. From pet trainers earning $36,000 to $57,000 annually to pet photographers making thousands each month, these niches cater to a devoted pet-loving audience. Consequently, pet training and photography earn an 8 out of 10 and a 7 out of 10 opportunity score, respectively. If you love this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.